What's up, guys? Alistair Shanklin. So here are the top 10 things to do on IKEA. In IKEA. So here's how to shop here. Read again.
Okay, you can read it.
Yep, we know all that. You have 365 days to return your new and unopened products and 90 days for open products. A bedroom that never sleeps. New inspiration. Follow the numbered signs to find what you are looking for. Showroom entrance, living room, storage, dining, kitchen, workspace, bedroom, wardrobes and storage, children's IKEA, Swedish restaurant and cafe. Downstairs is market hall, cookware, tableware, textiles, bathrooms, home organization, lighting, rugs, wall decorations, home decorations, furniture, home delivery service, as is checkouts. And that's about it. Exchanges and return. Furniture pickup. Home delivery service.
Oh, sorry.
Look at all the living room stuff.
Yeah.
It is really cool.
The show.
Love seats.
That's a colorful chair.
And there's a train. You're gonna link it.
Okay.
It can't.
It's
Stuck. I like sleeping in bedrooms that I make because it is really cool to go there.
Wow.
There's a toilet.
Yeah.
This is not for sitting.
No.
I like looking at children's stuff at IKEA because it's cool. No shortcuts needed. Look at all that detail. Look at all the stuff. And look at all the textiles. And we're turning right. Look at all the bed textiles.
Nice colors, eh?
Beautiful home organizations. And that is really cool.
Why don't you show people what things look like?
Okay, start walking.
There's a lot of lighting here.
Yeah.
That was number 3.
Cool.
Look at all these rugs.
Yeah.
They're swollen. They're woven.
Woven. Yes.
You want an ice cream cone?
I could probably do that for you if you're nice.
Yes. We are looking at Christmas trees and all that stuff.
Let's go look at the Christmas stuff.
And
Here.
it was cool. And we're ready to pay, and I guess that's it, guys. So be sure to post. You're looking at it to see. Yes. So we're heading to checkout.
Just go to the side
Woohoo! And I guess that's it. Don't do that, me, and I'm going as always. Peace out.